So today we are talking about the products, supplements, and the procedures which can keep you young and energetic, or it form of anti-aging things. So first and foremost thing what I request everyone is, please stay away from the mobiles and the gadgets. See, though you are staying inside, indoor activities only you are doing work from home, you are not exposed to sun. See, the skin actually ages whenever you are exposed to UVA rays and UVB rays. See, ultraviolet radiation has got two components, that is UVA and UVB. Most of you would have seen in your regular sunscreens. So it is all the time mentioned UVA and UVB. So UVB is actually, it makes the skin tanning, it makes your skin darker in color. So earlier sunscreens had only UVB, but nowadays the sunscreens are coming up with a broad spectrum sun protection factor, that is UVA and UVB. UVA is the harmful radiation which actually causes the skin aging in the form of wrinkles and fine lines. So you need to be staying away from the mobiles, because don't think that if you are going outside and if you are staying in the sunlight then only you are exposed to UV rays. Actually, all these gadgets like mobile phones, laptops, iPods, all these things, any electronic gadgets, they emit ultraviolet radiation which can harm your skin. Even LED lights, LED screens also can harm your skin in the form of the ultraviolet radiations. And they also contain so many radiations which can damage your vital organs also, like ovaries and then uterus. There are also some gadgets also are known to be causing so many ultraviolet radiations they emit, that they cause even the cancer also. So please stay away from mobile, at least, because so many people are all the time associated with the mobiles. At least stay away. And those who are working, like in front of the laptop and the desktop all the time, please see to that you apply sun protection factor all the time. So coming to the skincare routine, so the must and should skincare routine is, every day you need to cleanse the skin. After cleansing, you need to apply a toner, not the alcoholic toner. There are so many other toners, not these rose water and all. There are very other good toners in the market. I don't want to mention any name in the brand or the brand here. So any toner you can use for your skin, because it causes the tightening of the pores and it causes a firmer skin. So after the toner, you need to apply a moisturizer, because hydration is the key. So you need to apply any kind of moisturizer as your skin demands. And then after that, you need to be applying sun protection factor SPF, that is a sunscreen. Whether you are working in the hospital, whether you are working outside, whether you are doing work from home, whether you are a housewife or whether you are working in the field, no matter, because even in the house also there are many gadgets which can emit UV radiations, and whenever people are going out, then also they are exposed to the sun rays. So better you all the time you have to apply a sunscreen. And then the next thing are the supplements. So what are the anti-aging supplements? So usually omega-3 fatty acids are known to contain some anti-aging role. So omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D supplements, vitamin C supplements, and glutathione supplements. They are like a glutathione, they frequently call it as a whitening injection or the lightening injection. It is not actually whitening or lightening, it is just the antioxidant which is filled with all the de-stress agents. I mean, we call it as detox, or we can call it as an antioxidant which rejuvenates your skin, and it also has a good benefit on your other organs also. So and then other than that, of course, very good food and plenty of water. These are the supplements what you can use for as an anti-aging products.